What the fuck? What is that? Okay, I'm gonna leave that over here. As you guys can see, I'm back with the GoPro now. So what happened was this. Pretty much what happened is I don't like that camera for these reasons. Out of focus. Out of focus is terrible. Like, to be in focus, what I'm trying to say, it is not focusing. It is like it doesn't track your face like properly. So another thing, battery life. It only lasts like 30 minutes. I'm like, nah, like my GoPro is better for battery life. It can go up to like 40 minutes recording in 1080p or something like that, and this thing only lasts like 30 minutes. I'm like, hell no, you know. So I'm gonna go to Best Buy and return this shit, and pretty much going back to the GoPro. I know it sucks, but hey, it's better than nothing. And it is like a small camera, and for me it's better because I have like a small hands. And I want to say thank you for you guys for all the support that you guys gave me all this past year, man. It is so nice to have you guys in this channel. If you're new, subscribe and for more content about this Subaru. But other than that, happy holidays, and hopefully we're gonna see you next year with new video. The downpipe is coming to the channel. I can't wait for it, and man, it's gonna be amazing, you know. I can't wait to install that thing in the car. It's gonna be amazing, so stay tuned for the video. It's gonna be here on Thursday, on January 2nd, and I can't wait, man. So we're pretty much gonna go to my friend's house today. We're gonna go and see the Honda Accord that he's building. This guy is going to the Navy next year, so I think he told me he's leaving on February or something. Yeah, like February. So he wants to get this car done by that time, and yeah, he's gonna shoot flames and it's gonna be amazing. So let's go to his, well, I'm not gonna go to his house right now. I'm gonna go to Best Buy and return this shit. So let's go to Best Buy and see what's going on with this shit. Shit. I gotta stop saying shit. Fucking shit. So if you guys are thinking to get like a GoPro or something like that, I don't recommend GoPros for vlogging, but hey, for me, I mean, like I said, it is like a small camera and I freaking love it, man. It's better than that fucking shit. So like I said, if you planning to vlog and you don't want to spend like $800 for a fucking camera that out of focus doesn't even work, just go with the GoPro, man. You're not gonna be disappointed. Why is it raining today? Like, holy shit, you guys saw that? Holy, I need a new tires. Normal day in PA, you know. Yeah, because the what year is it? I don't know.
My buddies, I don't know what
Alright, let's go.
we had to wait for him.
Oh, he's here?
Yeah, I don't know where he's at.
Dude, that sounds so good.
Where's the back? I don't know what size it's in. What, battery? Yeah. Not the battery. 2.9 stock.
Stock turbo? Hell.
My vehicle, 2000, 2.5 liter, 20 valve turbo engine. They don't make my motor no more.
Hell. It's not that bad.
It sounds good.
It sounds good, yeah.
One of Lancaster, right?
Yeah, Lancaster.
Watch. Wait. Oh, there it is. You guys are playing that thing.
What do you do to it? Just cut them off?
You cut both of them. We're gonna get a 3-inch back.
Okay.
At some point.
Not today.
It's too shitty on the thing.
I know.
Like very. I hit my finger on the ground earlier.
Oh, you did?
Trying to get it off. It was bad. He was still sleeping.
Try. Yo, I saw this nice girl last night. What?
So what?
Nice girl.
Where?
Shit. She was hot.
Why don't you get a number?
I don't know. Because I'm fucking dumb, that's why.
Ooh.
Come on. You can't say that. You heard.
I own one.
Yo, Tristan STI is so nice, man.
I beat him in
With the Honda?
a race. No. Well, I got him off the start.
Oh.
My Subaru.
Oh.
My fucking Honda's slow.
I might buy it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh.
Smells so bad over here.
Huh?
Smell bad.
What? Outside?
Yeah.
Smells like worms.
Shit. So it takes 87?
87, yep. Unleaded. I could put 93 in it, but I don't feel like it.
It's way too expensive.
Oh gosh, yeah, no.
Mine takes 91, but I'm planning to go with a 93. So,
I just put this in it.
what is that?
Fuel treatment. It cleans my injectors and my pistons.
Really?
Makes them run smoother. Probably why it's running better than it is, because I got some of that in it.
Oh,
It lubricates and cleans.
didn't know that.
Yeah. You pick it up at a van.
Huh. How much is it? Like
Like $2.
$2. Oh.
You put it in after every refill. I put $5 in it last night, and I put a little bit in that, but I'm gonna put the rest of it in there.
How much you have to put in?
All of it.
All of it?
All of it. Every time you refill, all of it. But if I only put like $5 of gas in it, I'll put like a little bit in it, not a lot.
Oh wow.
Just enough to get her started for the day.
Oh, you smell that?
It's oil. Got a little oil in it somewhere.
Alright, let's go.
Yep, that's like, watch out.
These guys.
I put my fuel treatment in for my injectors. That loop gets good. Damn. That dude who's driving must be making it forever.
Ooh. Get him, get him.
fuck that.
The cop access sport.
Yeah, I ain't fucking with them.
Oh, come on.
Oh, dude, I'm fucking soaked. Fucking.
It's gonna keep going. We're coming to a turn. It always floods out when you come to a fucking turn. Fuck out of here.
Burn those tires, man.
Oh, I didn't show you what I did to the other motor, did I?
No, no, you didn't.
Yeah, I split a rod in half. Split 2 rods in half.
Oh, I think I saw you at your...
Yeah, I'll show you when we get back.
Ah.
They're literally snapped in half.
Oh, I just put them back together.
Yeah. No, they like melted and disintegrated.
Oh, God.
Boost. Too much boost.
Much booze. Dude, that sounds so good.
Yeah, I need to charge mine.
Fuck.
What?
Fucking dumbass. Oh, it's not ready. I got it in the back of my car now. I'll throw it in the refrigerator.
I know.
Let me see the engine. Oh.
Oh, look at that. I need to find what I did with those pieces.
Are you gonna be driving this stuff when it's running?
Yeah. When he goes away, so I might be able to drive it around.
Yeah.
Won't be too bad. Fucking ceiling leaks.
Oh, that's where the piston goes?
Yeah, piston goes up top.
Yeah, on top, yeah. Fucking broken tap.
You see how fucking thick that shit is?
No. You know, I can never do this thing. So. I would never get this done
No?
if I was doing it by myself.
I don't know, I just learned from watching like my grandparents and all that. Well,
Yeah.
my grandpa and then my dad.
Are there mechanics?
They work on their own stuff.
Oh.
I went to school, CTC, for that 1 year for automotive. Did a motor swap there on my Ranger. And then senior year, went for diesel and then worked at Kenworth.
Oh. Okay. Alright, guys. I gotta go.
Yeah.
See you guys and let me know when this thing runs again.
Yeah, if I sell it, it'll be right before I leave.
Just let me know.
Will do. I'll let you know when I get it running. Unless I get too pissed off at it. Just let it sit here.
I give it about a week tops.
Alright, guys.
Alright.
See ya.
See ya.
Dude, I can't wait for the car to be running again. So I just went for a ride in that thing, and that thing is sweet, to be honest. The only thing they did was like cut them off right off and straight pipe it. I'm like, dude, you know, you can feel the vibration in the inside of the car. Like, to be honest, it is loud from the outside, but inside it's not that bad. It's like, it's alright. That feels so good. I can't wait for my downpipe to come. So you just bought a new bike and he's telling me that he wants me to ride it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So I'm trying to shift with my left hand, so it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard for me to do it because I'm not used to it in this car. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow in the new video. We are close to New Year. I hope you guys gonna have a blessed day on that day, and I just want to say thank you for you guys to support this channel, support me, send me. I had a couple friends that watch my channel, and they always tell me, hey, don't give up. I know it's hard, and I appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys for the support. But man, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed tomorrow's video. So see you guys tomorrow. All right.